Form design torture: how to make users hate filling out forms. Forms are an integral part of our online experiences, whether it's signing up for a service, making a purchase, or submitting information. However, poorly designed forms can quickly become a source of frustration for users. In this video, we will explore the common pitfalls of form design that can make users hate filling them out. We will also provide examples of these design mistakes and offer solutions to create a more user-friendly form filling experience. Overwhelming length. One of the quickest ways to make users hate filling out a form is by making it excessively long. When faced with a seemingly endless list of fields to complete, users may feel overwhelmed and abandon the process altogether. For example, imagine a registration form that asks for unnecessary personal details, such as favorite color or pet's name. Solution: streamline the form by eliminating unnecessary fields and only asking for essential information. Break longer forms into multiple steps or pages to make them more manageable and less daunting. Complex and confusing layout. Forms with a cluttered and confusing layout can confuse users and make it difficult to understand the required information. Poorly labeled fields, inconsistent formatting, and unclear instructions can all contribute to a frustrating experience. Solution: use clear and concise labels for each field, provide helpful instructions or tooltips where necessary, and maintain a consistent layout throughout the form. Group related fields together and use visual cues, such as spacing and alignment, to guide users through the form. Lack of validation and error handling. When users make mistakes or encounter errors while filling out a form, it's crucial to provide clear feedback and guidance. Forms that lack proper validation and error handling can leave users frustrated and unsure of how to correct their mistakes. Solution: implement real-time validation to provide immediate feedback on errors or missing information. Use clear error messages that explain the issue and suggest how to fix it. Highlight the specific fields that require attention to help users quickly identify and correct errors. Unnecessary mandatory fields. Forcing users to provide unnecessary information or making too many fields mandatory can be a major turn-off. Users may feel their privacy is being invaded or that the form is unnecessarily intrusive. Solution: only make fields mandatory if they are truly necessary for the process. Clearly communicate why certain information is required and assure users of their data privacy and security. Poor mobile optimization. With the increasing use of mobile devices, it's essential to optimize forms for smaller screens. Forms that are not mobile-friendly can be frustrating to navigate and complete, leading to a negative user experience. Solution: design forms with a responsive layout that adapts to different screen sizes. Use larger input fields, clear labels, and minimize scrolling to make it easier for users to fill out forms on mobile devices. Form design plays a crucial role in shaping the user experience. By avoiding the common pitfalls mentioned above and implementing user-friendly solutions, we can create forms that users find intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable to fill out. Remember, a well-designed form not only improves user satisfaction but also increases conversion rates and encourages users to engage with your website or application.